Hey guys, I'm excited to welcome you to my new course entitled C# Console and Windows Forms Development with Link and ADO.net. Now that title is quite a mouthful, but I can assure you that we have quite a bit of content in store for you. This is a beginner to intermediate course where I will take you through the basics of C# programming. You should be able to understand basic C# context, the blocks of code, the different tokens like the curly braces, how to make comments, variables, collections, object-oriented programming. All of those things will be imparted to you in this course. I take a very beginner-friendly approach. I assume you have no prior experience programming or developing applications. And so I bring you step by step through each of the concepts. By the end of this course, you should be able to understand how to create and run Windows applications, both console and graphical user interface using Windows Forms. You'll also be learning a bit of database development as we will be building a data-driven Windows Forms application, and we will learn how to use our tools like GitHub and Visual Studio. And by the end of this course, you should be comfortable in either environment and be able to build a full end-to-end application. Now, I'm going to bring you through why it's important for you to learn .NET and C#. Microsoft.NET is one of the most popular platforms that is used to build enterprise applications all over the world. You can get jobs basically anywhere in the world if you're a .NET developer, and people will pay you well. The whole .NET platform, as well as the language C#, which is the most popular language used in the .NET platform, can be used to develop a wide range of applications for mobile devices, for desktop applications, more recently Linux and Mac also, anything on Windows, and also web applications. For this course, we'll be using Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition, which is a fully featured IDE short for integrated development environment, and it is very modern. It's very powerful. You can use it to build a wide range of applications. It's pre-integrated with Git and GitHub, and it has some database management capabilities in it also. Now, I did mention GitHub, and I'm just going to give you a brief introduction as to what that is. It is source control that will allow us to track our changes being made. It's also a great way to back up your code, because if your machine crashes and you have a copy of your project up in GitHub, then it's easy to recover from that point. And industry loves to know that you know how to use tools like GitHub. So I will be showing you how to use GitHub, and it will, of course, come off as a great benefit to you. Now, with all that being said, it is good if you have some database development knowledge. And of course, you need an email address and you need the willingness to learn and grow. That being said, however, if you don't really have all of that knowledge, it's fine. I take you step by step. And once again, this is a very beginner friendly course. And if you're not a beginner, but you're intermediate, I'm sure you can find some value in this course. So welcome, and I'm glad to have you.